Hey everyone, just sitting here fixing things and stuff, and today I want to show you how to use this slime tire plug kit to fix a hole in your tire if you run over a nail or something like that. I've used this kit twice in the last couple of years, one on a newer tire that didn't have the protection plan on, and it's been running great for over a year, and then another one used it, worked great, and at least bought me some time till I can make an appointment. So we'll get after it here. This tire ran over a nail. I got it pulled out most of the way here, but I'm gonna get that pulled out the rest of the way. And that's gonna, it was causing a slow leak with the nail in there. It kept some of the air trapped, but now I've got that pulled out. I'm gonna have to repair that. And so what you're gonna do is get this tool, and it's to kind of rough up the edges of the hole, because what we're going to do is slide in a piece of kind of rubber, leatherish rubber, to plug that. And so it's got to have a good clean hole. So you just take this, kind of turn it. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that took a little bit of elbow grease to get in there, but you got to get it twisted around and all the way through so that you've got a good round hole, so you can get the plug slipped in. So we'll go ahead and take this out, and I'll show you how to get, actually I'm gonna leave this in while I get the plug ready. So for the plugs, you're gonna take one of these strips out of the packaging. And what you're gonna do is slide it through this, kind of like a needle. Want to have it so that it's about right at the halfway point, just like that. And we're going to put a little bit of this plug bond on what will be the sides of this that are going to push together. And so when I push this down in, it's going to go like this. So we're going to put this on the inside a little bit. Threaded halfway through, a little bit of the bond on. We're going to take out our tool that made the hole circular. And then we're going to push this right down through the hole. About halfway, gotta make sure about half the plug is still out. Just like that. And when it's about 3/4 the way in, you're going to pull the tool out. Just like that. So now you've got this sealing that. The bonding will keep bonding together. And then what I did on the others was clipped off a little bit of this outside extra thread, and then as you drive on it, it just plugs further and further. So hopefully that fixes you up if you've got a hole in the tire or a slow leak, and we'll see you next time.